Hey everyone, how are you? I'm AJ. How about those football games yesterday? Pretty good, huh? You like them? I did. Well, actually, kind of. Because, see, I'm of course at home, watching my big screen TV, enjoying the game, like the rest of the country. Except my girlfriend, apparently, who decides to pick the middle of one of these games to tell me, honey, why don't you come into the kitchen and clean the refrigerator? Now, I know I gave her my best go to hell look, but apparently that doesn't work on her, on any woman, apparently. Y'all are used to this. Y'all already know what the heck to do with us, okay? Nothing bothers you. So she opens the door and then she goes, sweetie, really, you really need to come in here right now and clean this refrigerator because there's things growing in here. As a matter of fact, honey, penicillin's growing on some of the things in here. I'm getting angry, understandably. And I tell her, you must be ill. You must be sick, okay? So considering that you're probably sick, why don't you scrape off some of that penicillin and give yourself a fucking shot? I'm not fucking moving. There's football on. True. Not the best thing I ever said. I should have never said, I'm not fucking moving. Anyhow, to her credit, she gives me a chance at redemption. You decide. Still with her arms folded, unfazed at what I've said, she tells me, sweetie, if you come over here right now and clean this refrigerator, I swear we will have nasty, funky, hot sex all night long. And you can put it wherever you want. Okay?
Introducing High Country, the premium Silverado 2014 North American truck of the year. They were going to play a little game. Which 4G?
I think that was my reply. I'm not really sure. My memory's kind of fuzzy. I think I blacked out. But what I do remember, I think when I came to, she's bombing out the kitchen. She's pissed off. I don't know why. I still didn't give her an answer. So I'm going, no, baby, no, come on, baby, no, come on, baby, come on, no, baby, don't go, no, baby, no, who loves you, baby, well, daddy loves you, come here, baby, just sweet ass here, damn. So she comes running back into the kitchen. So you gotta come and clean it. I said, fuck that. You let the fucking door wide open. Close that damn thing, honey. You're running my fucking electric bill. What the fuck's wrong with you? Baby, damn. I told you I wasn't fucking moving. Jeez. What did you expect? Damn. Okay, now she leaves. Pissed. Okay? All right. Okay. So, hey, look. This is not my fault. Okay, first of all, ladies, you can never, ever do this to your man. Ever. You can never make a man, right, decide with this head and that head at the same time. It doesn't work. It never does. We black out. I'm case in point. Okay? But you ladies like to mess with us like that, okay? Because let's face it, y'all are just inherently evil ladies, okay? Y'all are terrible at this. Because you know you have absolute, total power. Yeah. See, you like to have your little joke and watch us do all those kind of things. You know, like when you watch a dog running around in this circle, yeah, chasing his freaking tail and stuff like that. You know, you laugh your ass off at that stuff. You know why? Because you know, hey, look at this dumbass dog over here. Look at him, fucking idiot, never gonna catch his fucking tail. That's what you like to see in us. You like to put us through that kind of stuff. Because you have absolute, total power. Because you're evil. Okay? And the women out there who say, oh my goodness gracious, I would never use sex like that. Oh my God, please, never. Y'all some lying bitches. Every one of y'all who say that kind of stuff. Or even think it. And it's not like we haven't been warned about such a thing, okay? Because of all people, Prince warned us about you ladies. When he said very famously, men, you better act like you understand when you roll with pussy control. Can you dig it? Bitches? Hey, everybody. I'm late. I got to go clean the refrigerator. So, peace out, y'all. Bye.